Hello everyone. Looks like Project Cobalt is not ready just yet. I was taking it out for a few shakedown runs and ran into a check engine light. It turned out to be a P0054, which is a heated resistant bank 1 sensor number 2, which is the downstream oxygen sensor. Basically, the heating element has failed, similar to a light bulb. After so many cycles, it just burns out. Oxygen sensor is still working, but the heated element that helps it warm up is completely burned out. So I ordered one. It's about 15 bucks on sale. Got a good deal on it. I'm going to pop it in right now. We're going to make this check engine light go bye-bye. The connection for the oxygen sensor is right next to the downpipe. I'll show you in a second. Okay. This is the wire connection for the heated oxygen sensor downstream. Exactly where this goes, I don't know. It was just hanging here when I got here. But I'm going to disconnect it, pull it back here, and now it's disconnected from the top. I'm going to go down to the bottom and disconnect it from down here. Tools needed for this job: just a ratchet and an oxygen sensor socket. Okay, here we go. Not very far from the repair I made to the fuel line and the evap line is the oxygen sensor. This is the downstream, which means it's behind the catalytic converter, which is right here. And it's right here at what they talk about is the downpipe crimp. I guess people talk about this being a restriction in the downpipe where it kind of goes from round to square. But this is where the oxygen sensor resides. This is the one that has to come out. I've already unplugged it, so I gotta wiggle this thing around the wire. I could just cut it, but we'll do it the right way. Okay. It might give me a hard time. It might not give me a hard time. Let's find out. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's just do constant force. Oh, that boy on there. I can't get the regular one on there either, so we might have to heat this up. Okay, since this one's giving me a hard time, we made a tool revision. 1/2-inch breaker bar, 3/8 reducer. Let's see how this does. Okay, let's see what happens with the 1/2-inch breaker bar. Alright, we're going to have to heat this boy up. Swing on it, shock it. Alright. Come on out. Okay, it's hammer time. We're going to shock it. That should be enough to get it loose. We're going to hit it basically like a impact would. Okay, hammer didn't work. We're going to try to impact with an impact universal and a 3/8 reducer. See what happens. Had to get a bigger gun. That bad boy said no. There we go. Thank God, man. It's hotter than hell. Ratchet time. Sorry. This boy really don't want to move. Holy cow. Fighting me. Holy cow. I want to go back in and don't want to come out. Okay, here comes the PB blaster. Get in there. locking up again. Alright, put some more on there. Run it back in. Okay. Check it out. There she goes. Oh, choker. She didn't want to come up out of there. Okay, here's a new oxygen sensor. Hopefully, it has never sees on it already. If not, it's going to get some never sees. Make sure the ends are right. Yes, sir. Let's check the length. Alright, let's see if it's been pre-packed. Let's check the length. Length is more than enough. This should and it better have some never sees on it. Yes, it does. It's full of never sees. You should be good to go. Let's get back to work. Alright, let's put her back in. Holy cow, that's a tight fit. Okay, here we go. I had to put in an extension for the oxygen sensor. I could not get it started because I lost a couple of threads taking out the original sensor. I even had a hard time getting this brass sensor, and it did finally make it in. I don't want to mess with it anymore. I got it pointed up at an angle. That's not where I wanted it, but that's where it's going to stay. I'm not going to mess with this anymore. If this strips out, I'm in trouble. And I've had enough trouble with this car as it is. This will work. It will not interfere with the efficiency of the oxygen sensor. It's this crazy angle right now. I didn't want to loosen it up anymore or tighten it up anymore. I left it right where it is. It should suffice. Get the job done. Okay. Let's test her out. Store codes. Same code. Let's see if we got anything pending. No pending codes. Alright. I'm going to leave this one in and see if it erases itself in the next couple of days. If not, I'll just erase it and see if it comes back. But I doubt it. We got a new oxygen sensor in there. So, should be good. There's nothing pending. Alright. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to keep updated on this project as it goes along.